Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. Like this now, me don't call your screen, me don't call your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things so they go on for inside the green country to be Nigeria. And the cocoa now be say, as this our country now they ready, they gear up for 2027 general elections. Opposition parties don't they intensify their effort to, and they intensify their effort to unseat our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the ruling All Progressive Congress will be APC. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, talks of forming a new coalition or launching a fresh political party don't gain momentum. And reports dey ground sef say key opposition figures don't dey explore alliances to challenge the dominance of the All Progressive Congress. But Anointed Lady TV now don't plaster dey let una know say, as this our green country Nigeria they draw closer to 2027 general elections, cracks within the opposition don't they become increasingly evident. And my good people, we all know say too much of everything is no good at all. As opposition party now, they go there, they go left, they go right, they gather this one, they gather that one, they gather till they go reach 12. And all of us know very well say in every 12, one must be Judas. Now, while the ruling All Progressive Congress they consolidate their position under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, reports now they show say oppositions, the way things they be, if I see they don't they lose their steam as their leaders they struggle to find common ground on strategy, leadership and direction. According to the reports, the once anticipated unity among opposition like Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Party and Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party and other influential figures, it don't be like something where they too good to be true. It don't appear to be a distant dream. All the efforts to build a formidable coalition we will fit challenge the administration of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All of them are don't they hampered by conflicting ambitions, ideological differences, and lack of trust among key players. Ma yarning about Atiku Abubakar, who be former vice president of this our green country, maybe Nigeria. We all know say he na veteran in Nigerian politics and he don't maintain his position as a leading opposition voice. But however, based on say he dey insist on being the flag bearer in any potential coalition. That is to say, if they can't come together last, now he go represent, now he go be the candidate, no go be another person. That level now can create friction with younger leaders, particularly Mr. Peter Obi, will be come aside as a major contender in the 2023 elections. Then now make I yarn you more about Mr. Peter Obi of the Labour Party. And as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, you see the Labour Party will be LP, so they are very much keen, they are very much ready to capitalize on the momentum where Mr. Peter Obi don't gain. And they can position themselves as a fresh alternative to the traditional political establishment. Meanwhile, rumors of former Kaduna State Governor RI0USLY joining opposition ranks, it don't further complicate matter, it don't further complicate dynamics. And Malam RI0USLY no be choice man. Many people know him for his practical but divisive style, and many people they see him as a potential game changer, while others they see his involvement as a destabilizing factor due to his controversial tenure in office. Now, despite the struggles of the opposition, the administration of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't manage to gain early support from several sectors. Policies where they aimed at economic stabilization, and these policies they include the removal of fuel subsidy and infrastructure development. We don't start to show positive results. It don't make the reputation of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu as a reformer don't begin to escalate. Now, while challenges like inflation and insecurity still plaster for inside we nation Nigeria, many country people now don't begin to view our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu leadership as a steady hand in the time of trouble. And our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's strategy of inclusive governance combined with targeted initiatives to address youth unemployment and economic diversification, now it don't resonate with a significant portion of the electorate. Meanwhile, as the People's Democratic Party they remain the largest opposition party, internal conflict, that is the palaver they put for inside the party, plus defections, as people now they wash and come for the PDP their matter, they go other party, it don't weaken the PDP their structure. Then the Labour Party, Despite the recent success, despite everything wey dem don achieve, dem still dey face questions about whether dem dey capable enough. Dem still dey face questions about their capacity to sustain momentum and expand their reach beyond urban youth and middle class voters. And moreover, the lack of logically connected and consistent message or clear alternative vision for the future of this our green white green country wey be Nigeria, so e don make many voters now no come kukuma plaster with the Labour Party. And now people don dey get the feeling say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey deliver. Last all we gats need na to give am time. All this im policy go work. And based on say country people now don dey feel like this, the urge the urgency to vote for another candidate don begin dey calm down. The level of dislike wey country people get for our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for inside the year 2023 and some for inside the year 2024, e don begin dey calm down. E don reduce on the massive levels. Now wetin remain na about 2 years and some months for the next general elections to land. So if you check am proper, you go see am say time dey run out for the opposition to come dey regroup and redefine their strategy, and calls for a grand coalition still dey persist. Men now dey yarn say before they go fit win the APC for inside the year 2027, they gats come together. But before they go achieve this kind unity, this coming together now wey men dey yarn about, e dey require significant compromises, and this compromise dey include resolving leadership disputes and crafting a shared policy platform. So last one candidate gats step down, gats bow for the other candidate to progress. And for now, early signs don dey indicate, don dey show say the All Progressive Congress and our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they are strong enough, and then they remain the party wey go come out victorious for inside the year 2027, unless the opposition can overcome their internal divisions and present a compelling case for change. If they no arrange themselves properly, if they no agree on something, and if they no do am fast, they fit miss the opportunity to unseat the sitting President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. To defeat the All Progressive Congress for inside 2027 fit become mission impossible. And critics don sama warning say if last the All Progressive Congress and our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come win for inside 2027, make they just know very well say our nation Nigeria could just become one party state. So this man good people na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like our news, if you like our updates, and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this our channel, and try make you turn on the notification bell, so that as we dey come with more news, I go first get the info, and you go even get them sharp. I dey come inside again to another legit intel for you, my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.